I've never thought of leadership as about telling a lot of people what to do. I've always thought about it in the context of your responsibility to make things better. And where you have levers to make things better, you should pull them. And you should work with other people to try to do that in the best possible way. My name is Ottoline Leyser, and I am just coming to the end of my 5-year term as the CEO of UK Research and Innovation. I started my career as an undergraduate in genetics at the University of Cambridge, PhD, Cambridge Genetics, and then postdoc and onto a lectureship at the University of York through to professorship. Then I moved to Cambridge to help start the Sainsbury Laboratory, and then from there I came into this role at UKRI where I am CEO. I grew up in a family of medieval historians, both my parents and my older brother. My mother claims that right from the beginning she could tell I was not a historian because of my interest in how things in the natural world work. And that how does it work question has very much motivated me through my entire career. And that's what took me into science, into genetics. Fundamentally, what I'm interested in is what you might call multi-scale emergent systems. So complex systems where interactions at one scale, in biology that would be molecular and cellular level, have impact at the organismal level, but also what's going on at the organismal level feeds back down and affects what's going on at the cellular and molecular level. So that's what really excites me, how those kinds of systems work. And that's why I got into plant developmental biology, because it really is a fantastic example of those kinds of interactions. But I'm also very motivated by wanting to make things better, wanting to create environments where people thrive and where what people are doing is contributing to making the world a better place for everybody. And those twin things, I suppose, have taken me from an interest in how plants work to how we build research and innovation systems that everybody can contribute to, and systems that result in everybody benefiting. And that's what kind of drove, I suppose, my gradual move into research policy, a desire to make that system work as brilliantly as possible. Undoubtedly, the Sainsbury Lab was a huge opportunity to try and set up a research system in a different way, not just interdisciplinary, but actually that valued really broadly the inputs from many different types of people in that community of researchers. The value that brings is huge. It's a very positive and exciting place to work, and you get ideas from a much wider range of directions than you would in a kind of standard top-down model for how you might run something. The thing that I've been excited about at UKRI has been the opportunity to establish support for people who want to do cross-disciplinary research that is not led by a desire to deliver a particular outcome. It's led by a desire to advance understanding in a way that really spans disciplines. One of the things I've been particularly keen to champion, for example, is promoting career path diversity. There are many choices, and everybody benefits from people making different choices, because when you do that, you inherently take skills and understanding and know-how with you, so that knowledge, adoption and diffusion is just automatically catalysed, and you bring into different parts of the system, including the straightforward academic research base, expertise and understanding from all kinds of domains. And that's what really drives progress, bringing together all of those different skills and perspectives into one place. That notion of research and innovation as by everyone, for everyone is key. UKRI is the 9 councils, and the work that happens across the 9 councils is important and necessary for the whole system to function. So it's a kind of all for one and one for all model of collective leadership, which I think is the huge power that UKRI has. It's about how you've moved the system forward, the communities you've built. And I hope I have helped to build that overall sense of community across UKRI, recognising that it's a huge organisation with very different roles right across it. But I hope everybody has a sense of pride in the organisation and what we've been able to do.